Baby hippos can sleep underwater without even waking up. Just days after they're born, these tiny giants enter the river beside their mothers. And when they fall asleep, something incredible happens. Their bodies automatically float to the surface for air, then drift back underwater, all while staying asleep. They do it completely unconsciously. Even more surprising, baby hippos can nurse underwater while holding their breath. And their mother never strays far, protecting the calf from crocodiles and dangerous currents. For baby hippos, the river isn't just a home, it's their nursery. Follow for more nature's amazing facts.